Good day, good day. This your boy, better yet your man, Markel, prines, home-based business coach and mentor, also known as the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. Today, I want to give you guys a valuable um, business from home opportunity idea. That's what I'm gonna call it. A business from home opportunity idea. So while you guys are stuck in the house due to this coronavirus, just like I am, I'm stuck in the house, but that's all right. I'm at home, but I'm still able to make money from home. And if you guys stay to the end of this video, I may let you guys know what it is that I do to make money from home. Now you gotta stay to the end of the video just to see if I do give that information out. Nah, I'm just playing. If you stay to the end of the video, I will let you guys know exactly what it is that I use to make money from home, even in this time where we're all stuck at home. Everybody's worried about the coronavirus. So real quick, just to jump into it, I've been looking online recently at different programs and different ways of making money, right? Now, this page that I'm on right here, this is a key page. That's why I have it up. Basically, this is what we're going to use to make and save money. First off, we're going to use this to save money. Now, back to what I was originally saying. So I was looking up some ways online to make money from home and easier ways to do my online business. Now, I do understand that a lot of people, they want to have YouTube channels, but they don't want to get on camera personally to put themselves out there. So like for this video right here, I'm not making a video of myself. You don't see me. I'm just doing a screen share, which anybody can do a screen share. If you use a free program called the OBS software, you guys can use that. It's absolutely free, and you can do like screen sharing videos like I'm doing right now. So if you don't want to show your face on video, that's one key secret right there that a lot of these gurus use in order to make videos and not show their faces if they don't want to. And you're still able to make money from home, whether you show your face or not. Okay, so getting back on point. So I was thinking of ways of making money and ways to make my business operate a lot smoother and faster. So I came across this guru, I'll call him, and he was talking about a program called Content Samurai. Now, with the Content Samurai, and just for purposes of just, changing the scenery up a little bit, I'm going to actually click on a couple of different pages. So Content Samurai, I did a search for it, right? So it shows that they have a free trial, free 7-day trial that you can sign up for. And basically you don't have to put any credit card in. Now, I didn't sign up for the free trial. I didn't do that yet. And the reason being is it's not because it doesn't seem like it's a great product or anything. The product itself, just to give you a quick rundown, is for basically those individuals who don't want to show their faces on videos or don't know how to really make a video. If you can find, or if you're good at just writing content, you can write up a script and then come to a program such as this, Content Samurai, put your script in there and it'll create like a video. It'll create a video for you. It'll come up with ideas, pull videos from online. So it says go from script to video in seconds, thoughtfully automated image suggestions. So it'll give you image suggestions to put in there, and it has voiceover options on there. Now, like I said, I haven't used the program, and this is why. I did a little research on it and I found out that, well, actually, I can make money with this program if I promoted it as an affiliate. And come to find out, the program itself, after the 7-day trial, is actually $47 a month just to be able to make videos. But here's the main kicker, the reason why I did not do that. This is why I didn't take them up on a free trial. And I'm just going to play this real quick. Hopefully you guys can hear it.
With affiliate marketing, you don't actually need a website. You can just simply direct your traffic straight to the product's sales page. But this isn't the best idea. There are much better methods for earning affiliate commissions. You need your own website.
All right, guys, so I hope you were able to hear that. I actually got a lavalier mic plugged into myself, so I can't hear anything due to the fact that it's only for recording. But what you were actually able to see is within the program that we already have access to, which is called Builderall, we actually have the ability to have videos created without needing that extra software. So this $47 a month Content Samurai software, even though they give you a free 7-day trial, probably an awesome program. After the free trial, you have to pay $47 a month. But we have the opportunity or the ability to do this directly from our Builderall program platform, our all-inclusive Builderall program, our all-in-one marketing solution, which is called Builderall. And this is that big secret that I've been using to make money from home. So Builderall itself, you guys can actually get a free 14-day trial. And after the 14-day trial is up, if you decide that you want to continue to use this program, which basically it gives you tons and tons of applications. So once when you're an affiliate, let me pull up real quick here all the apps highlighted so you guys can see the list of all the applications that it allows you to use. So just to think, if you look here, the program that I was just in playing that video was our animated VSL video builder. That builder is just one application as part of this whole platform. So that right there alone, if you were to use like Content Samurai, would be $47 a month just for that one application. But with Builderall, after the 14-day trial, is $69 for every piece of software, application, whatever you want to call it. And just imagine, if you buy these things separately, e-commerce store, if you go out and want to start an e-commerce store, let's say a Shopify or something like that, you go to Shopify, of course they give you a free trial, but then after that, how much is Shopify a month? So you got to think about that. So you have e-commerce built into this. Okay, you got personal like email autoresponder built into here, so you don't have to worry about basically paying any extra money for email automation. And it's all included in this one program. A magazine builder. Now you guys may not really be thinking about building magazines, but I actually started building and making my own magazine, which is something that you might say, okay, people used to be big into magazines, but then we moved to the digital age, but this is a digital magazine. So imagine having a old school type feel, but in a new age type design access. Place this on your website and have people go through your website in a way that it appears to be a magazine instead of just a regular website. So I don't want to go too deep into this video. I just want to leave you guys with this way right here that you can actually use to make money from home. Hopefully it triggers some ideas. And if you guys would like that free 14-day trial of Builderall, I'm going to put a link in the description below so you guys can get the free 14-day trial. And if you decide that you want to take advantage of the program going forward, of course, I invite you to. Along with that, you'll get extra bonuses. You get funnels, different niches that you can get into, already pre-made funnel templates, everything that you need to get started building a business from home. Nowadays, more than ever, you all need to have a home-based business. I'll be here to help and support you. If you decide that you want to move forward, you'll get free training and mentoring from myself. If you decide that you want to do business and partner with me, No, I do not treat my partners as customers, so I will not be selling you any expensive training courses. Everything that I provide will be free training if you decide that you want to do business with me. So once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, home-based business coach and mentor, also known as the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. And here's to the reason why. Builderall and me and affiliate marketing and you coming together, making money from home. Have a great day.
Hey, Chief. We got us one, bro.
Already.
This that motivation right here.
Yes, sir.
You know, the people need that motivation.
Tenfold.
Everybody go